Witamy w bibliotece. W czym mogę pomóc?
And that would be our Polish welcome.
Welcome to the library. May I help you?
Okay, so we just wanted people to come to our site to feel comfortable at the library and feel welcomed. So then we went through some tabs in the top. The About tab, we just put in some information about the grant, what libraries were involved, and we want it to be interactive, so we're looking for people who come to our site to share resources. Okay, then we put up a culture corner, and we're just starting to work on this. So this is Polish English Church website. There was more in the culture. Places to visit. Okay, so we did put in some places to visit with links right to the websites of the different, mostly museums. Pretty heavy in the Hispanic Latino area, and so we're looking to add more things to that. We have the Polish Museum of America. We do have some responses people have been sending in to us. Then we did a foreign language books tab. And this actually is a list of new Polish items or new Spanish items cataloged at the Wooddale Public Library. So when you click on those, it takes you right to the library catalog with the new items. The new items are there about 60 days. So if you want to know what's new at your library, you can just check there. And they could place holds on books from here too. The next section we worked on was good books. This one we just put up the question. We want people to share the best book they read. Give us the title, author, and a comment, either why they liked it or what it's about. Then we have a Resource Center tab, and there's several things in there. We have ESL classes. That would take them to community college classes. So they would go to the link of the school and look around for some classes. Online resources for ESL, ELL people. Gives a little description of what is at the site, and they would just click on that. And we do ask if they have sites to share to please let us know. And then online translators, we just have Google Translate right now. Then tutorials we wanted to work on. We did get Camtasia software, and we wanted to use that. We wanted people to be able to get information about using the library resources without having to ask somebody if they weren't sure what was going on. So the first one we did was just how to use the online catalog at National University. We'll just show a little bit of it. But to get to the library's catalog, you have to go through the university's page. This is a video on how to use the National University of Health Sciences LRC online catalog. First, you would go to the university homepage at www.nuhs.edu. When you reach the homepage, you would go down to Current Students. You would then select Access Learning Resource Center services. This takes you to the Learning Resource Center web pages. Near the top, you will see a link for online catalog, and that takes you to another page with a link for the online catalog. Congratulations, you have now reached the National University of Health Sciences. Okay, so we are planning to do other instructional tutorials for the other libraries. As I said, we really have been working on it nonstop lately, so we haven't gotten a lot of word out to people, but we are planning to continue working on the site. We're hoping to get feedback from users, and as they give us suggestions of places and things to add, we're going to add that to our lists. We want to do some marketing of our site so people know what's out there. We have these wonderful shirts that we're going to wear when we go out. We did get those pocket projectors also, so that we could go out to the community. And I know at Wooddale they've been using it quite a bit. It works really great in a small room. If you go to a small meeting, you can project a website right on the wall or a screen. All right, that's as far as we got on this, and as I said, we're still planning to do some more work on it. Yes. You know, originally we thought maybe at Wooddale we do have staff that speak Spanish and Polish, so we thought we might have them translate and just play it in other languages, but we can look and see if there are plugins that would translate it. Yes. Mm-hmm. Good. Okay. Other questions? Yes. Right, we were planning on having this website as a resource for librarians working out there. And I'll say every Dupage library system meeting I was at, I asked people if they knew about resources to let us know, and nobody has responded to that. Mm-hmm. Right. Yes. Oh, great. 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 Okay. And I forgot to mention the papers we passed out. Can anybody read what's on their paper? Somebody knows? Yes. How do I get a library card in 7 different languages? And so that's the kind of thing that ESL patron faces. They can't necessarily read our information, or people don't understand what they're asking. So that's what we're trying to address. Yes. Okay, I know Wooddale has College of Dupage. Oh. Okay, great. Other questions? Yes? English language learner. And it is in our About page. The term English as a second language has been around a long time, but now it's kind of changing to ELL, English language learners. Yes. Yes, and we were also trying to connect maybe with some teachers to get some of their resources, because some of the sites we had up there were for parents to help the children with homework and things like that. Great. Yes. Yes, we've been in discussion for a while. We're supposed to be getting kits for that. Oh, great. If you're not familiar with PolyTalk, it's a kit that comes in, I don't know if it's like 27 languages or something. And it's set up, it's geared to libraries, so you could have the box on your counter and somebody comes up speaking a language you can't identify. There's a poster, I think, where they point to what language it is. You can go to that section of the cards and it says, how can I get a library card? How do I use your database? Where are your newspapers? And it's all written in the foreign language and English, so you guys can communicate and you can help each other. Okay, yeah, we weren't sure what was happening with that. Great. Good, good, thanks. Yes. We bought laptops so that we can go out into the communities. We bought pocket projectors, flip videos, Camtasia. We bought a WordPress book and a Camtasia book, a DVD. Oh, yeah, for the Camtasia we bought wonderful microphones, headsets. I think that's it. Yes. Thank you. Yeah, we kept plugging along.